Want to go live on TikTok and boost your engagement? In this video, I'll show you the proper method to go live step by step, so you can connect with your audience like a pro. Watch till the end of this video to learn all the secrets for going live on TikTok and growing your followers fast. Follow these simple steps. Open the TikTok app. Tap the button you normally use to upload videos. Select the Live option. Add an engaging title that attracts viewers. Set a goal for your live session. Click Go Live to start broadcasting. While live, double tap on the screen to give likes. If you have any issues, drop a comment below.